Hopefully that didn't stop anything. Let me double check. Nope, still going. Okay. Oh wow, okay, they both tend to record. Sweet. Alright, we're gonna test this out. Hopefully I can synchronize everything up when I get home later. Alright, here we go. Very curious how it is picking up the wind, which I don't think it is. Maybe not. I mean, hopefully not. If I had my visor open, probably. But last night I was on the phone with my girlfriend while riding with the device, and I was asking her. She said she couldn't even hear the wind. So hopefully, using the mic on the recording app, hopefully that doesn't pick anything up either. Well, maybe not as much at least. It just sucks trying to use two different apps because the device itself that I'm recording on does not connect with the microphone that came with it to record. I had to get a separate app, like a third-party recording app that, you know, allows me to connect to the Bluetooth device itself that, you know, can use the microphone. Had to do a couple tests before I even did this specific test. So hopefully when I get back and it's done recording, I can, you know, synchronize everything up and everything works the way that I expect it to. Right now, this is just a placeholder for, you know, other better recording devices, of course, that can connect to Bluetooth. Oh, wet ground. All right, let's go. I feel like I'm doing more than what I really should just to get some recording done. But we'll see. There's another biker over there. I know she hot. She gotta be. She was wearing damn near nothing. I ain't complaining. It's hot outside. All right, I kind of want to get into the other lanes, to be honest with you, but it's all the same. 'Cause I can't really see. I kind of got a bit of a blind spot. I can't really see that much. Let me lift my visor. It's kind of hot in my face already. All right, green is light. Time to go. A Mazda? Interesting. I will say, going down the bypass is like always nice, especially on a clear day like this. Not as, it wasn't as windy as yesterday, I'll say that. Yesterday, I almost got blown to the wall. I had to slow down. I was not trying to cause no accident, even being an accident, none of that. Yes, sir. It definitely really is a nice day to go riding, though. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Nice little Sunday, just riding out. I hear somebody think. Ooh.
Just use your imagination.
A lot of houses over there for real. I'm trying to figure out what the market is on those.
The ultimate aim is to produce sound which is completely acceptable to the listener.
Yep, Autumn House is right over there.
Give you pleasure.
You got Mallard Lakes all the way over there. And Mallard Lakes, I don't know why, but they start off at least what, 1,500 for a 2-bed. To me that's outrageous. I wouldn't pay 1,500 for a 2-bed. No. At least not in a place like Mallard Lakes. Don't get me wrong, they places are nice. The townships and whatnot, but I don't know. Something about Mallard Lakes, I can't do it. It was 1,200 maybe, but not 1,500 now. The lady even told us it's starting out at 1,500. And that's like, no. There go another rider. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. He did the signal. I like that signal, by the way, just indicating to other riders, like, hey, I'm giving some space, and I respect you. All right, continuing. I hear some type of weird click noise in my ear right now. Not sure what that's supposed to indicate, but hopefully it has nothing to do with, voice recording and video recording. Because when I checked, they were both literally recording video and audio, so passing by the village of Wildwood, which I keep hearing that it's shitty apartments. I actually thought of living there at one time. No, too many stories from too many people. I definitely need to get me an Insta360. Oh shoot, I didn't even see. There's another rider right up there. Hard to see because there's two other cars in front of me, but maybe in the playback you might be able to see it. But there was another rider up front. Not sure where they're going. It's nice to ride, y'all. I'm dead serious. Like, if you have the fear of being on two wheels, that is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Me, I had to just go ahead and overcome it. With me having cerebral palsy, got a lot of limitations right now. I was surprised that I even was able to get an automatic bike. This is a DCT that I'm running with. Yeah, no clutch. Expensive as hell, but hey, I'm gonna make it work. It's worth it to me. I got this tool called a cramp buster. I'm not gripping the entire throttle with my hand right now. I'm using a tool called a cramp buster. About 10, 12 bucks. But I use my palm instead of my whole hand when trying to twist the throttle. It gives me better control and actual full control.
I want to send a telegram to West Germany. That's right. Message reads, need samples immediately.
I just wanted you to see the sample I built from my design.
Yes, it'd be even better if I could use more than just his voice.
So yeah, I'm just headed to my mom's. She needs help with some stuff, so I was like, you know what? I got the day off today. I'm gonna just go ahead and go over there and help out. Back home, Beacon Hills, Springdale, Ohio. Is she even home? If she ain't home, I might go back home because I definitely don't want to cut this grass, bro. Oh yeah, ain't nobody home. Which means she is definitely expecting me to do it then. Alright. Video's getting cut off soon. Alright. That's that. We're gonna check things out. Video's going off.